What exactly was the Ford Probe GT? I mean, chances are you know someone who had a probe or knew someone who wanted a probe. Ford made like 300,000 of these things in a 10-year run, but what exactly was it? I was scrolling online through Bring a Trailer and I saw this 1997 Ford Probe GT listed there, and I was like, I have to make a video, I have to talk about this, because truth is, this was a popular car. I mean, Ford made 310,000 of these. There was a very long production run. This car was supposed to replace the Mustang. That's what it was supposed to do. It ultimately did it, because could you imagine like this weird Japanese looking sports sedan, like Mazda influenced car taking over American muscle? No, like it just didn't work. American fans, Mustang fans, they were very upset about this. So what was it? What happened? So basically, Ford came out with the Probe, and they were like, yeah, this is going to be the new American muscle car, and obviously it wasn't. So long story short, Ford had to pivot, and the Mustang lived, and all is well. But here's the thing. The Probe GT was kind of cool. I mean, this might be a biased opinion. I think it was at least cool, because it had a 2.5 liter V6, a 5-speed manual, sport-tuned suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, and just like really cool, awkward Japanese styling. Like, there's very heavy influence from Japanese cars, specifically the MR2. Like when you look at this, it looks very comparable to an MR2, right? This specific one that was just posted as a GTS Sport appearance package, which included white racing stripes, GTS decals, a rear spoiler, pop-up headlights, fog lights, and 16-inch chrome wheels, all over bright Rio red paint. Inside, there's cloth seats, crank windows, a Pioneer head unit, and gauges for things modern cars don't even really pretend to care about. Oil pressure, battery voltage, coolant temp. And this thing made 164 horsepower when new. So it wasn't fast, but it was like fast enough at the time where it was definitely ahead of your standard like family cars. This exact Probe GT is up for auction on Bring a Trailer, and it's offered at no reserve with just 70,000 miles, original paperwork, a window sticker, Marti report, and a clean Pennsylvania title. If I had my Pennsylvania shirt on, I'd be wearing it right now, so pretend that I am. But yeah, it's obviously not perfect. There's some repaint work and underbody corrosion, but that kind of adds to the character and adds to the detail that this car lived a full life before this. So basically the Probe was just Ford experimenting in the 90s, seeing what worked, seeing what people liked, what they didn't like, and that's what made it awesome. That's why it's cool. That's why it's unique. This one is now live on Bring a Trailer. I'll link it in the description below. Until next time, I'm going to go try to find a Ford Probe GT. I'll let you know when I do.